Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be doing some drag racing, seeing what this old 383 can do. Now, this is the first time we're running her on the track, so we're just trying to do some A to B passes. I expect a high 7, considering we're running stock C3 suspension. That's going to get upgraded soon enough. And don't mind my oil pressure gauge. We're going to be swapping it to a mechanical gauge. The sitting unit and the gauge aren't getting along, so we're just going to make it simple and go straight to mechanical. Well, let's get right into it and see what she can do. Well, that was fun. Today, we did not get our 7. But it's okay. I got a plan to fix that. In this box right here is called a drag Vette, or also race Vette. I believe they just changed their name to race Vette. It's a 6-link suspension kit. And we will be installing this over the next week or so onto the Vette. Now, if you saw in the video, the very first hit I gave it, I really pushed it through first, and it wheel hopped. It wheel hopped so violently. I should have backed out a second sooner. I didn't. Thankfully, nothing got hurt. But after that, I had to go real easy off the launches. But we got an 812, which is pretty damn close, especially considering how much wheel hop I have. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, hit that like button. If you want to support the channel, please subscribe. And if you have any comments or suggestions, leave them down below. And as always, we'll catch you on the next one.